elephants are terrified of bees.
But they're so big! And bees, and me, we're so little.
Spiders are little too. Does that mean they're not scary?
Okay, I see what you mean. But I like bees!
Good, because that might be exactly what we need to save this farm.
Animal power! Your Majesty, I wonder if you'd consider doing us a favor. Welcome to your new home, Your Majesty.
A bee fence!
The hives are all connected, so if an elephant hits the line, all the bees will come out and buzz.
Now we just have to wait for the elephants and see if it works.
Hold your ground, everyone. Let's see what happens.
Oh, if this does not work, I won't have any maize left at all. You did it, Rangers! It worked! Oh, but those poor elephants do need food.
We're on it. Come on, Rangers.
Animal power!